Various animals live around the ring roads in different areas. From time to time, serious accidents and damages occur when animals suddenly cross the road, either in herds or individually. We have compiled the animal accidents captured by cameras on the ring road for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. A baby gazelle suddenly jumps in front of a vehicle moving at high speed. Unfortunately, the car did not have the conditions to stop in time. The baby gazelle was already too late. Another unfortunate accident. The driver must have been quite surprised by this situation. Trying to cross in fast-moving traffic, flowing in both directions, requires a lot of attention. Our friends with whom we share nature tend to act hastily in such situations due to the noise. After being hit by a car coming from the opposite lane, the animal is thrown to the other side of the road. Ah, what a painful situation. The bear cub seems to be alive, but there may be an injury. The shock of the incident causes it to exhibit strange movements. This fawn is trying to cross to the other side in a hurry. However, there's something it doesn't realize. Fast cars. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. Oh no, I hope the bear cub isn't seriously injured. Imagine a herd of cows suddenly appearing in front of you while driving at high speed. It was impossible for the driver to control the vehicle while trying to brake. A bus driver's journey is completely altered when a fawn suddenly leaps onto the road. With the force of the collision, the fawn crashes through the bus's window. Panicking in fear, the fawn tries to escape from the bus but fails. The driver must have been just as panicked as the fawn. Unfortunately, many animals that start the day unluckily lose their lives on the roads. The driver notices the danger and brakes. However, it seems the oncoming vehicle didn't realize the situation in time, possibly due to speed or visibility. The animal is thrown by the impact and tragically loses its life. It's clear that its companion is still in shock from the accident. This time we do not see a vehicle hitting the animal. It is seen that the truck with the trailer full of cows overturned due to weather conditions. Due to the impact, the animals jump out of the trailer and wander around in confusion. Ah, another bear cub. This time it's a lucky deer. He doesn't appear to have been seriously injured. Unfortunately, our cute friend suddenly jumps in front of the vehicle. While driving a go-kart, a fawn jumps in front of the pilot. The pilot prevents a possible accident by making a small maneuver. The pilot who did this job by risking his own life should be congratulated. Another deer accident. The deer suddenly jumped onto the road and was thrown several meters into the air and died tragically. At first, a small herd of animals seems to be moving along the road, and it's impossible for the driver not to panic. What's this? Oh my God, a huge herd! At this point, stopping was impossible, and many animals lost their lives under the vehicle. It's an extremely tragic situation for the driver as well. Especially at night, you should be cautious of animal herds that may appear and drive your vehicle at a minimum speed. Things look a little different here. Bull races, a tradition in Spain, sometimes produce such results. The bull must have lost his temper because he tried to lift the vehicle into the air. This deer looks pretty strong. Even though he falls to the ground due to the impact, he manages to get up and cross the street. However, this gazelle cub is not so lucky. This animal, which was hit by cars from both directions, has no chance of survival. Herds of pigs roaming at night pose a serious danger to drivers. And a rare kangaroo accident on the roads. This time the vehicle does not hit the animal, but the animal hits the vehicle. Due to the impact, the horse and its rider jump several meters into the air. I hope no harm comes to the driver or this beautiful animal. Oh my God, I don't want to face these angry búfalos. How dangerous they look. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification sound for more content. Accident area.